Olive?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Listen, is that really sound check? Could there be one more song? Well, maybe someone dropped a drumstick.
Actually,
I think I see
Danny T.
that's him.
No, wait,
It's very dark.
now light up the stage again
And play one to take us home. We just did. Good night.